Press Shift A, text, then press Tab, then write your desired text, then go here, then go to geometry, then you can extrude the mesh. After that, right click, then convert to mesh. After converting this text to mesh, then we are going to apply a modifier that is generate. Then you have to go to remesh. After that, just increase it or decrease it and check your desired output. Once you're done with that, then you can go to the shape also, and if you want, you can change that scaling and all like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.